What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we have a brand new contender that's generating a lot of buzz, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. This phone is packing some serious specs, and we're going to dive right into it. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is all set to debut as the world's first phone powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset on April 24th in China. It will be equipped with Xiaomi's largest ever dual-ring 3D ice-sealed cooling system for heat dissipation. With the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip on board, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro promises flagship-grade performance, with popular RPG games capable of running at 120 FPS. The company claims that the Turbo 4 Pro has achieved 2.4 million points on Antutu benchmarks. The Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 is highlighted as a significant upgrade, offering smooth and stable performance for gaming and everyday tasks. It's mentioned to have a noticeable improvement over its predecessor. High Antutu score reports indicate an impressive Antutu benchmark score of over 2.4 million, suggesting flagship-level performance. The CPU architecture with all big cores, Cortex-X4 and Cortex-A720, is noted for its efficiency and reduced power consumption, contributing to sustained performance. It reportedly handles demanding games like Honor of Kings at high frame rates with efficient power consumption, indicating strong gaming capabilities. It runs on Android 15-based HyperOS 2. The 6.83 inches, 1.5K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate is praised for its narrow bezels, high brightness, up to 3200 nits peak, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, offering an immersive viewing experience. The inclusion of DC dimming and high-frequency PWM dimming aims to reduce eye strain, especially at lower brightness levels. The design is noted for its larger screen curvature and a more premium feel with a metal frame and a matte AG glass back on some color options. Redmi Turbo 4 Pro comes in black, white, and green colors. Xiaomi also partnered with Warner Bros. On a special Harry Potter edition. IP68-69 dust and water resistance ratings provide significant protection against the elements. The Wet Hand Touch 2.0 feature enhances usability in slightly damp conditions. The 50-megapixel main camera, Sony Light 600, with OIS and EIS is expected to perform well in various shooting scenarios. The camera UI reportedly includes AI features similar to flagship Xiaomi phones, such as image restoration, AI zoom, and object removal. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera is seen as adequate but not exceptional. It supports up to 4K 60fps video recording. Front camera 20-megapixel selfie camera, f2.2, with up to 1080p 60fps video recording. The 7,550 mAh battery is a standout feature, promising exceptional battery life that can easily last a full day and potentially two with lighter usage. The 90 watts fast charging allows for quick top-ups, reaching a significant charge percentage in a short amount of time, 27% in 10 minutes, 100% in 55 minutes. The 22.5-watt reverse wired charging is a useful feature for powering up other devices. The wider frame and weight, 219 grams, might be less comfortable for users with smaller hands. Features like an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with high-res audio, NFC, and an IR blaster add to the overall premium experience. Overall, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is shaping up to be a compelling flagship killer with its powerful performance, massive battery, high-quality display, and durable build, all at a competitive price point. Reviews suggest it delivers on its promises of being stylish and powerful. So, if you're looking for a capable gaming phone that won't break the bank, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is definitely worth considering. What are your favorite mobile games? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and gaming tests.